everybody. So today it is Thursday and I am going to meet with my high school best friend Hannah later, and we're going to get a mani and pedi at a nail salon near my house. I never get my nails done or my feet, but we just wanted to treat ourselves, and there's not much to do on Long Island anyway, so I'm gonna take you guys and just chill and catch up. So let's go. Yes. Say hi to my vlog and show your nails. Beautiful.
Yep. Yeah, ready? Cheers. It just literally just tastes like mustard on watermelon. I think I put too much.
I don't get it.
Yeah.
It just tastes like separate.
It tastes like what you expect.
Hello everybody. So I'm home now and I'm in my room. I had a really late dinner with Hannah and her family and it was so freaking good. We had galbi and other Korean foods, but look at my nails. I love the way they came out. They're kind of like this shiny pearly pink, and I also got my toes done. This is what they look like under the light. I love how they came out so much, and so much from my Instagram board that I saved just went out the window once I saw these colors. But yeah, I really like them. And then I just got my toes blue, and yeah. Good morning everybody. So I'm currently doing my makeup and I wanted to test out this new foundation I got in Taiwan right before I left. Hill Cover by CLIO cushion foundation, and to be honest with y'all, I got it because I love the packaging. It is so pretty. Oh, it even comes with an extra cushion. I'm gonna do one. Okay, it's quite a lot of product. So the skin tone, the color is pretty close to my actual skin color, which I think worked out. And the smell it smells really good. It's not like weird, it's like fragrant. It's like one shade lighter than my usual skin tone, but it's not bad and it applies so smoothly. I don't even think I need to apply concealer. And it's covering my acne on my chin really well too. Obviously way more pale than I usually am, but I think it's just the lighting. Might as well just get ready with you guys. Next, I'm trying to keep this look like a little bit light. I'm not gonna put on concealer. And next I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder from Laura Mercier. Hannah's coming over and we're gonna be making 3D bubble candles because I bought the material, and I bought ones from Taiwan that were already made from like this really cute brand, but unfortunately they got damaged in transit when I came back. So I thought, why not buy the materials and do it myself? And Hannah's here for the weekend, so I might as well do it with her before she has to leave soon because she's moving. Okay, next I'm going to go with Fenty Beauty, my bronzer. I'm trying to go for like a sun-kissed bronzy look today, but kind of still natural because I want to match my shirt and just have some summer vibes. And then at night we have a dinner with some of my neighbors that I haven't seen in a while. So that's why I'm putting on makeup today. It's also a Friday, so why not? I also just got this new blush from Watson's also before I left. It's Japanese and it's like super cute and small. Okay guys, this is my finished look. Outfit today is super casual. I'm matching my shirt. Like I said, I bought this in Taiwan last summer. And then just jean shorts that I also bought in Taiwan last summer. All right, I'm gonna go pick up Hannah now, I think. Let's go. Hello everybody. So I'm making 3D bubble candles with Hannah right now. Originally, I had this one and it got demolished in my luggage when I came. So we're making it because I bought the materials. It shouldn't be that hard. And yeah.
Or should we go?
No, I think it's okay. Now we're pouring the wax. These are all my colors and my essential oils. Okay, be careful.
Yeah. I gotta avoid the...
Oh.
Okay, this is not... Maybe it's not gonna work if I'm vlogging for Stephanie Wang.
Hi, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Currently, we're waiting for our candles to finish developing. And we picked this rose essential oil. And we picked a... It's not here, but we picked a very pretty pink. And now we're waiting for the second paraffin wax.
Yay!
What do you have to say, Hannah?
I think it's going well.
Yes.
It was a little bit of a struggle,
Yes.
but we're getting there.
Yes, we are. Thank you to the nines.
Oh yes, shout out to the nines.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Part 2. Oh yeah, pour it into this. Nice. Uh-oh, it overflowed.
Oh
Is that
no.
okay? Is that okay? And then we have leftover. Wow, this is Japanese cheesecake. It looks so sad.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Ew, it's so ugly! It looks so deformed!
Wait, the bottom looks like this
Wait,
part
I think
has
it's 'cause-
potential.
No, I think it's because we took it out too
Early?
early. Yeah, because it's still forming.
Still wet?
Wait, like-
Where?
I think it should be fine. Should I? Oh, it's just...
Oh.
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 Wait, and now this is...
That's your reaction. Wait,
Why
what?
is it ugly?
Wait.
What happened? Hi, everybody. Sorry for the poor lighting, but I'm home. I am home now. We just ate dinner and I'm so full and tired, and tomorrow morning Hannah and I are gonna go hike at this hiking trail near where we lived. Hope you guys enjoyed the adventures from today. Our 3D bubble candle thing was an absolute fail, and it took a lot longer than expected, but we had a lot of fun in the process, and I'm just tired now, so gonna get ready for bed. Okay, I'm back and I'm wearing my headband because I'm about to wash my face, but I also just wanted to do a quick check-in on how the Kill cover by CLIO has been holding up. This is definitely one of the best cushion foundations I've used. I feel like I'm not even wearing makeup right now or have put on foundation. I've had it on since noon and it's around 8:30 now, and it is so smooth. My skin does not feel irritated at all, and the coverage is so good. I just feel really comfortable and really light and velvety almost. Usually my skin gets irritated pretty easily, or it gets very oily. It's been matte this whole day. I haven't even did any touch-ups or anything. I definitely think this is worth it, and I'm gonna go wipe off my makeup now, but definitely good investment. Whoever can buy it at Watson's, I highly encourage you to go get this. Good morning, everyone. Today we are hiking at Cold Spring Harbor Labs, and I'm with Hannah, who's behind the camera right now.
Woo!
And we just went to the private beach, and now we're hiking on a different path.
It goes without saying, but you're my best friend, my second earth.
We're now on the side of the road. It's pretty much like a highway, but not really. We don't have a car, so okay, bye.
Sanctuary in all its suburbs. I feel you revive.
Hello, we are at the pier and we just finished eating and we're bloated and sweaty and ugly and tired, but yeah, now we're gonna leave. Yeah, bye. Morning everyone. I'm trying to make this really quick because I'm gonna miss my train. I'm going to the city today and I'm going to the Met. I just put on some light makeup. I didn't even put on foundation, and then I put on my cute outfit. Okay, let's go. So I'm on the train and I think I'm the only one in this cart because it's completely empty and I don't really see anyone. I think it's because today is Father's Day, so there's probably a lot less people going to the city. My hair seems a lot lighter and I'm wearing my cherry earrings. This is my outfit. I have my personal bag. It's a very Steph outfit, I'd say. Yeah, even though I got my nails done, I still don't really feel like it's sanitary to be wearing sandals out and about in the city. So just to be safe and don't want the bottom of my feet to be dirty, I usually stick to sneakers. But if I'm in the city and I'm, just going somewhere nearby, I usually wear my sandals. So great, so I decided not to take a bus but to walk across, which only takes like 10 minutes. But yeah, it's such great weather and so hello everyone, I'm currently chilling on the green lawn. I haven't been in Central Park in so long and there are so many people just chilling here, sun tanning, playing pickleball.
I'm in love with you, darling, 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 darling. You're simply wonderful. All that you are, you are. You're simply wonderful. All that we've got, we've got. And I'll be forever, forever. Could we be forever, forever?
Right now we're at the Egyptian wing. I'm with a bunch of Louis' friends, and now we're gonna go into the Asian wing. We pretty much spent the whole day here. How do you feel about your day at the Met today?
I missed it. I missed going to the Met, and now since I graduated, I don't have to associate it with school anymore.
Oh, I still, sadly, still have to have some trips.
I'm so sorry.
Thanks, bro. Anyway, we're going to the Asian wing now. Goodbye.